Access the application portal by going to cowleysixthform.applica.com. Click Start New Application. You'll be asked, do you currently attend this school as a Year 11 student? Select, No, I don't, even if you currently attend Cowley. Enter both your personal and school email addresses. Tick the box, I'm not a robot, and then complete the reCAPTCHA. Click Send Verification Emails. An email will be sent to your email addresses. Please log on to your email and click the link within the message from Applica saying, Verify email address. Click Continue. Enter all the information asked for. Create a password for your account. This must be at least 8 characters long and include a number and both upper and lower case characters. Select the 2 boxes to I agree to Cowley Sixth Form College's privacy policy and I agree to Applica's privacy policy. Select I'm not a robot, complete the reCAPTCHA and then click Start your application. Click on the Application Form box. Upload a passport-style photograph of yourself. Fill in all the required fields with your details. Click Save and Next. Provide contact information for at least one of your parents, carers. Click Save and Next. Answer the questions about welfare information. Provide information about any medical conditions and your doctor's surgery information. Click Save and Next. Ask your parent, carer to select their consent. Select your primary method of getting to college. Click Save and Next. Provide your current school information. Provide the courses you are currently studying and your predicted grades. Click Save and Next. Select the courses you are interested in studying with us at Cowley Sixth Form College. Click Submit, and your application will ping its way over to us.